Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a website to your repository on GitHub. Simply click on the repository on the left hand side, guys, and on the right hand side, you have the About section of this repository. Click the gear to enter its settings or its details. So all you have to do is just simply enter a valid. All you have to do is simply enter a valid URL and click and save. Now, important thing right here is that you need to ensure that you enter the HTTPS colon forward slash and click and save. Otherwise, it will not save. If you enter, for example, www dot, it will say you need to enter a valid URL. So let me show you. So if I go back here and let me copy this again, if I remove all of this and simple type in www dot, you will see that it's going to fail and it's going to say please enter a URL. So ensure that you enter the HTTP or HTTPS section of the URL and then click and save. Otherwise, it will not accept it. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.